welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about sexually transmitted infection. More than 30 bacteria, parasites, and viruses have been known to be transmitted through sexual contact. 8 of these pathogens, they are linked to the incidence of sexually transmitted infection, of which 4 are curable. Like the syphilis, the gonorrhea, the chlamydia, the trichomonas, they are curable if it is detected early. This sexually transmitted infection can be contacted through sexual contact, either through the vagina, through oral sex, or anal sex. And the rate of these diseases are increasing on daily basis. It is a global problem, and it has impact on our reproductive and sexual health. More than 1 million sexually transmitted infections have been transmitted on daily basis. In 2020, WHO estimated over 374 million new infections, of which 1 out of 4 is linked to sexually transmitted disease. We can see that it is a global problem, and it is common among our youth. Most of these infections at the early stage, they are asymptomatic. They don't show any signs. They don't show any symptoms. So you might think, I don't have any signs, I'm okay. But you are having most of these bacteria and they are growing in your system. They have consequences. Untreated chlamydia and gonorrhea can lead to PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, and infertility in women. We see the rate of infertility increasing on daily basis due to untreated infection. What about mother and child transmission? It has been estimated by WHO that over 1 million pregnant women have active syphilis, resulting in 350,000 adverse birth outcome, in which 200,000 leads to stillbirth and neonatal death. You can see the consequences this untreated infection is causing our society today. There are several signs that you can know you are having these diseases. Some, they will be having vaginal discharge with a foul smell. Some have difficulty in urinating. Like the men, when they are urinating, they feel pain. This peppery sensation. Some urinate blood. Some urinate pus. These are signs of STI. Even some women, they have pain during sexual intercourse. And you will ask me, how do I know the type of infection I'm having? Because we have several types of infection. We have the gonorrhea, the syphilis, the chlamydia, the trichomonas. How do I know I have this disease? They have different signs and symptoms. And I'll be talking about them one by one. Your health is your responsibility. You are responsible for your health. Because if they are left untreated, a lot of people are going to be affected. You see some couples, young couples suffering, looking for child, due to untreated infection. Some are innocent of it. Some partners are ignorant of it. But they are suffering of what they know nothing about. So it is your responsibility if you detect any little change in your body, you go for a proper checkup. I'll be explaining the signs and symptoms of these diseases. I'll be talking about them one by one. Then you know where you belong. And you might even think, I'm okay, I'm not having any signs and symptoms. As you journey with me, you will know. Because there are some bacteria that does not have signs and symptoms. And I'm going to stop here for today. In my next video, I'll be talking about syphilis. Syphilis is a common disease, and it affects even your brain when it is left untreated. So stay tuned as I bring you another episode of sexually transmitted infection. Thank you and God bless you.